In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to a WooCommerce product page. Whether you're looking to improve user navigation or just want to enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your online store, adding a button can be a simple yet effective way to do so. We'll go through each step together, making sure everything is perfectly clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to head over to the WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance. From the drop-down menu, select Editor. This will take you to an area where you can make changes to the design and overall look of your site. It's important to note that this area is powerful and directly affects how your site will appear to visitors, so always consider backing up your site before making significant changes. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to navigate to Templates. When you hover over Templates, you'll see various options related to your site's layout. For this task, we're specifically interested in the single product template because that's where we are going to add our button. Click on Single Product, and this will open up the product layout section for individual products on your site. Now that you are inside the product layout, you might see various existing blocks that make up your product page. Don't worry if this area seems a bit complex at first glance. Focus on the task at hand, which is to add a button. Look for a small plus sign or the words Add block, usually located at the top or bottom of your existing layout. Clicking this will give you a selection of various block types you can add to this page. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will pop up showing you different kinds of blocks. Here, you'll want to choose Button. Adding a button block is pretty straightforward. Just click on it, and it will place a new button block into your product page layout. Once your button is in place, it's time to customize it. This part is where you get to be creative and make it fit the style and tone of your site. To customize the button's text, simply click inside the button block and type whatever text you wish. This could be something as straightforward as Shop Now or Learn More. Just make sure it's clear and concise so your customers know what to expect when they click it. Next, you'll want to ensure that the button is functional by adding a link. You can do this by selecting the button block if it's not already highlighted, and then looking for an option to add a link. Input the URL of the page you want your users to be directed to when they click the button. This can be a specific product page, a category page, or even an external site. With all these steps completed, your button should now be fully operational and customized to your liking. Adding this feature can truly enhance your product pages, making them more engaging and dynamic for your visitors. Thank you for joining me in this easy-to-follow tutorial.